Do you know which train runs on magnets, not wheels? Let's learn together.
This is a container train.
It carries big metal boxes filled with goods and products. These trains help move things from ports to cities.
This is a commuter train.
It takes people to work and school every day. It's fast, simple, and great for short distances.
This is a bullet train.
It runs super fast, almost like flying on tracks. People use it to travel quickly between different cities.
This is a steam locomotive.
It works by burning coal to make hot steam and move ahead. These trains were used long ago and made a loud chuff-chuff sound.
This is a funicular.
It moves up and down steep hills using cables. You'll often find it in mountain or hillside areas.
This is an intercity train.
It connects different cities and towns. People use it for comfortable long trips.
This is a high-speed train.
It moves very fast and saves travel time. Many countries use it for modern transport.
This is a freight train.
It carries coal, oil, cars, and other heavy goods. It's one of the strongest trains in the world.
This is a double-decker train.
It has 2 floors for extra passengers. It's fun to ride and gives more space for everyone.
This is a tram train.
It runs on city streets and railway tracks too. People use it for short city trips.
This is an electric locomotive.
It runs on electric power instead of fuel. It's clean, quiet, and very powerful.
This is a maglev train.
It floats above the tracks using magnets. That's why it's super smooth and ultra-fast.
This is a monorail.
It runs on a single rail high above the ground. You'll often see it in big cities or theme parks.
This is a rail bus.
It looks like a bus but runs on train tracks. It's used in small towns or countryside areas.
This is a regional train.
It connects nearby cities and villages. It's perfect for daily local travel.
This is a transit train.
It helps people move quickly inside big cities. You'll see it mostly during rush hours.
This is a subway train.
It runs underground through tunnels. It's fast and helps avoid city traffic.
This is a passenger train.
It carries people from one place to another safely. It's one of the most common trains in the world.
This is a long-distance train.
It travels far across states or countries. It has beds, food, and everything for a long trip.
This is a light rail train.
It's smaller and lighter than big trains. It helps people travel easily within a city.